On February 12, 2025, at 6:30 p.m., our childhood home caught fire. Our beautiful, cozy, warm home went up in flames in the blink of an eye. I have created a GoFundMe campaign to try to help raise money for my dad and brother so that they can rebuild after losing so much, and I would greatly appreciate your support. So many of their belongings have been completely destroyed by water damage and are covered in soot. Maine's winters are nothing short of brutal. People are faced with freezing temperatures, relentless snowstorms, and bone-chilling winds that make everyday survival incredibly difficult. Blizzards and nor'easters can dump feet of snow in a single storm, burying roads, cutting off power, and making travel nearly impossible. For my dad and brother who lost so much in this devastating fire, this winter isn't just uncomfortable, it's a serious risk to their health and safety. Without a warm home, proper winter gear, and basic necessities, surviving Maine's frigid conditions becomes an overwhelming challenge during this unforgiving season. If you're able to donate or share this fundraiser with others, it would make an incredible difference. Every bit of support helps bring them closer to warmth, security, and a fresh start. Thank you again from the bottom of our hearts. We couldn't do this without you.